Welcome, dear viewers, to our channel dedicated to spiritual practices and incantations. Today, we have a special video on how to deal with bad premonitions and protect yourself from unwanted events. You'll discover the magic of words and the secret of incantations. Let's begin. From time to time, we all have bad premonitions that fill our souls with worry. However, you always have a means to combat these feelings. Today, we will share a powerful incantation that can ward off misfortune and create a protective shield around you. The incantation we are unveiling today has ancient roots and embodies the magic of words. It is designed to liberate you from bad premonitions and safeguard you from negative events. These are words that address higher powers, their kindness, and mercy. It's essential to remember that every word holds power, and this power can be used for good. This incantation is a prayer for protection from bad premonitions. When you feel that something unusual is happening, when troubling thoughts won't leave you, recite these words. They will pierce the heavens with your faith and help create a protective barrier. The magic of this incantation lies in believing in its power and believing in goodness. Let's proceed to the incantation. Powers, help. Keep any misfortune away from me. Grant your protection from every evil and crime. Allow me, name, to be with you. Cover me with your wings. I am with you, you are with me. So let it be. This prayer can create a powerful energy shield around you, protecting you from unwanted events and premonitions. Believe in its power. Remember that the magic of words generates strength. The incantation carries faith and hope within it. Use it in those moments when bad premonitions engulf you. Always hold on to faith and goodness, and the strength of your soul will be your reliable defense. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this incantation will help you cope with bad premonitions and shield yourself from negative events. Until we meet again.